Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today's video is part of a crafting challenge called as Chic for Cheap Craft Challenge, and the creator for this challenge is Christi from Christi Creates, and this month's co-host is Nicole from the Week's Nest, and they both are amazing creators. So if you haven't visited their channel, please be sure to visit their channel. I'm going to leave a link for their channels in the description box. And also I'm going to leave a link for the playlist for all of the videos that we are presenting in this challenge. So today's craft would be a tier tray. And for this, I'm going to use Dollar Tree items. And I'm going to use this burner cover set. It's got like 2 plates, which is of different size, so this is very ideal for tier trays. So I was thinking that I should use this. And I'm also going to use the sticks of the solar stakes, and I use the solar part, the top part of this one for another project. So I'm going to use these two, and I also need one shower curtain ring and also some wooden pieces. I'm going to use this alphabet blocks, and I also need white and black paint and a foam brush. So I'll do the initial preparation and I'll be back. So this is the final setup of my tier tray decoration. So I just stuffed all my fall projects, and this is what I wanted to do on the tier tray. So let me show the tier tray. The tier tray with the 4 feet of the wooden blocks, and then I made the bigger plate on top of it, and then the stick of the solar stake, and I stuck one smaller plate on top and another solar stake stick, and I stuck the shower curtain ring on the top. And these are all my other projects that I made for the fall season, and the videos for all these are in the playlist of my description box. You can check if you want to see how I made all these fall projects. The link is there in the playlist. You can click and see all my videos. And yeah, let me show what all I did. This is my apple barrel, and this is like harvest sign that I decorated, and this one of the pumpkins, the ceramic one, and another ceramic one, and this truck that I decorated. And this pumpkin I made from scratch, and I stuffed some stuffing into it, and then I had a wooden block on top, and with a raffia I made a bow, and this is I decorated the scarecrow and the lantern decor. And these are the galvanized milk can that I made using yogurt bottle and then syrup bottle. And this is the pumpkin from Dollar Tree, the velvet one, and I decorated with diamond wrap. And this is a pumpkin truck or wagon. We are selling pumpkins for 25 cents. That's how I decorated. Yeah, all these projects are in the playlist of fall decor in the description box. If you're interested, you can click them. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And click on the bell icon for the notifications on videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.